Welcome to this latest GD working video. Focusing. I am filming with the Xperia 10 Mark V. I am still waiting that I am still on Android, because as many other, I am still waiting for Sailfish OS release. Beta, alpha, latest alpha, beta release. For this device, I am patiently waiting. In the while, I started to using it as a tracking camera, as a tracking device, hiking tracking device. Today, I am in the pine wood. Resegone pine wood, a so-called pine wood. At the very top of the Imagna Valley, I am starting to appreciate this steady shot digital stabilization, because it's pretty more than decent. This camera is having some exposition issue. We already see in other video, but once that you have a pretty consistent lighting chain like this one, it's very good. I would say a small tendency to underexpose. And this is affecting more the video, because when you are shooting, you may see a chain like this, but then the elaborated and saved JPEG file is better, because the preview of the Xperia, of the Android camera, the preview is bad. But then, when you watch the photo in phone or on the computer, you see a sort of recovered, elaborated, slightly HDR JPEG. You see most of the time that the clothes are not white, are not burned. There is a bit of recovery, mostly on the highlight. So if you are shooting, if you were throwing away your Xperia 10 Mark V or Mark IV, wait for it, because you have to download your image and watch them in the photo app or on a computer. See you later. Here we are, just above the forest. I am filming the panorama, challenging the exposition algorithm. Now focusing on the locality below here of the Brumano. You can see focus on Brumano. It's very handy to have free lens from the ultra wide to a good zoom, a super zoom, because when you are hiking, you can have certain details like a marmota, or a bird, and then most of the photos they are shot with the equivalent of 12, 15 millimeters, 30, 35, maybe some 50 millimeter. But the human tend to shot mostly in 35, 40 millimeters, if they don't know the focal range. I have with me also the Sigma SD1 with a wide lens, just to create some weight for the training, and for a bit more of extra weight, the DJI drone, DJI Mini SE2. I may do a first try. It's time to use it because I did a last second purchase, but then I had a remorse. But it happened that selling it on eBay, nobody was buying the DJI Mini SE2. I think because there was an imminent launch of a new kind of DJI drone, low level. I don't remember the name, but it's this one. In the while, I am arrived because below the beginning of the Resegone path, I will go above here. I decided to uphill above here and avoiding this area because there is some allevatore, some farmer that he decided to lock the whole valley with an electrified path for the cows that's out there, up to there. He basically locked the whole pass, cioè coming from the Magna Valley, you have to go there, the onlyest pass, and he blocked all the pass. I will do a proper signalation, a proper warning to the Kai, to the Bergamo Kai or Lecco Kai, because we are in the Lecco Valley. There is an incredible seal silence in this little valley, this little spooky valley. I am not removing the level, but it's really silent. There are some small flowers. I am now at a good point. Here is the best Apple Watch ever created in 2016. The Apple Watch Series 1, the top of the line, 42mm, glossy metal. Nice flowers. I am actually at a forcella, a fork, a little pass. I am just below a very crowded incrocio. I think that the exaggerated a bit. It's overpopulated. I decided that because it's raining and it's dangerous to be uphill, and I decided to go down. I will do a deviation toward below. I have to go back in this direction, and I will reach a lower quota, a lower level refuge. See you later. Immersive, ultra wide walking. I am waiting at the border of the forest I am using the tree literally as an umbrella. I am waiting. I am finally arriving to my backup destination, which is the Rifugio Resegone. It's a low quote recovery in the top, at the top of the Imagna Valley. My car is there. That one is Valcava. And looking from the higher area, the Valbambana is very good, very nice to see, with the typical mid to high mountain in Prati, the grass. And also there is that apex, that final area where the pine wood is not focusing. That final area where the pine wood, I think they cutted them, some decade ago, because it's too much precise, that line, and on that side there is a growing. But the mountain is very nice with that clean gobba, with the clean apex. It's a pity, but the bar is closed. Say hello to the coffee. I did basically this area. I attempted this area, but I had to go down in the pine wood in order to avoid a complete washing. So I am now getting back. I think also that I am not going to fly my drone because there is this cold and humid air, and this video is a bit sad because I did not reach the cross. The cross that in Italy you mean that you arrived in a Catholic area. It means that you arrived to the top, to the vetta. But instead I had to reach this lower rifugio. But it's still nice because we are actually almost in autumn. There will be some photo at the end of the video. I hope you followed until the end. Thanks for watching. Ultra wide. Bye.